Sir Michael Cave. Between these next two buildings on your right hand side you'll make out a tall stone white column with a ball of flame at the top, designed to represent the candle to the fire of London. It stands 202 feet to the top. If you lay it down in the direction we've just come from, the ball of flame actually pinpoints the exact spot in Pudding Lane, where the fire started in a baker's shop on the 2nd of September 1666. The bridge we're now passing beneath is London Bridge. It's the fourth London Bridge to stand on this site. The first one was built by the Romans nearly 2,000 years ago. The last bridge was sold to an American oil tycoon by the name of John McCullough, and he's had the bridge re-erected over a man-made lake in Arizona called Lake Wilson as a tourist attraction. We didn't think he was buying Tower Bridge. We wouldn't sell him that, I'm sure. Now, you see the ship in the wet dock there, just to your left-hand side. Has anyone seen the film Pirates of the Caribbean? Right, they have to dress up as pirates and run around the pub. Right, this bridge, there are many bridges across the Thames, but this one is probably the least interesting. We get rid of all the rubbish in London. All our household waste goes downriver to a place in Essex called Mucking. Now, it's towed out on the high tide, right down to the coast near Essex. There's got no interest at all to an absolutely useless bridge. This is Southwark Bridge, opened in 1925 to relieve traffic from the old London Bridge. It's never been successful. That's because they buried the approach roads so well in the back streets and one-way systems of London. Not even Londoners know how to find the bridge, let alone get off it when they have found it. If you do see anyone up there, please give them a wave. They're probably totally lost. I think people walking around for days up there. Right, look to your left, Chester. So all the proceeds from the brothels and gambling dens are Sunday by the Metropolitan Police. It wobbled from side to side so badly when people were walking across it, they were falling over. And the people that remained standing were too busy being sick on the one day. Sorry, it's really ain't. Carried steam trains on the London, Chatham and Dover Railway into St Paul's Station, which used to be over to your right. Now, about 25 years ago, the top part of it was deemed to be okay. It was undermined the foundations of the bridge alongside, so they had to leave them exactly where they are. And it's also a mark of respect to his embark King of Brunel, the famous engineer. Now, the bridge we're going under now is Blackfriars Bridge, but look either side, the pillars you can see, the top part are designed to represent church pulpits. Now, they were put there at the express wish of Queen Victoria, and that was to commemorate the Blackfriars Monastery, which used to be over on your right, and it was demolished by Henry VIII during the Reformation. A couple of buildings to your right